headshot. Hi guys and welcome back to M.R.A's Android Zone. So this is another app with sound effects, and this is the main screen, to say like this, main menu, and you have 9 keyboard shortcuts of the sounds. Over here you have your shortcuts, and over here you have all sounds, and it's on different sections, categories, area. Animals, horror, disgusting, audience, weapons, explosions, shooting, bird song, sports, vehicle, music, house, if I remember right, only from over here. Because DIA and office and baby are still into, let's say, projects for this app, okay? So you select on category, you listen the sound, for example, and you choose one of 9 of those 9 buttons. And anyway, you have to remind yourself which one is already taken, okay? So this one it's free. Tap OK, go over here, and I move donkey from here to here, okay? And over here we have you can play with those. If you tap the icon, you can have tutorial, help, contact, and share, subscribe, and others. Okay, so let's hear something much more interesting. Okay, goblin sounds a little bit, with a zombie, okay? So that's all. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.